Hi, how are you guys doing today? My name is Ravi. I'm with RMUS in logistics, and today we're going to talk about the DJI Avata and the RMUS Public Safety Kit. DJI Avata, consumer drone with enterprise potential. The enterprise clients have been using the DJI Avata to clear structures for a while and getting close-up view where in areas which could be harmful for humans and public safety on a whole. Why the DJI Avata is perfect for doing this type of a job, there's room for improvement. And this is what RMUS has been working on, to improve the DJI Avata to do a better and more efficient job. And we have implemented IR lights and a new camera to see in low light areas, which could be used in low light areas as well. And we have made all of this available in a kit, the RMUS Public Safety Kit. While the enterprise clients have been using the DJI Avata for their sensitive jobs, RMUS has made some modifications which would make it even better. We have added IR lights and a camera which enables you to see in the dark. So from transitioning from dark areas to light areas, you lose no picture quality. We have also disabled the GPS, which allows you to fly in areas which would have probably been geo-fenced. So the flyability gets even easier, and you can send it into more sensitive areas. And the big thing with this is that if you were to purchase all these items and integrate it yourself, you have to go looking, searching for it. But RMUS has made all of this available in one kit for a great price. While the DJI Avata is great for the enterprise clients and the jobs that they have been putting it through, with the addition of the RMUS Safety Kit, it's even better. With the IR lighting, the new camera, and the disabling of the GPS to send it into sensitive areas, there's no limit as to where it could go right now. If you want to get your DJI Avata with the RMUS Safety Kits, check out the links below, press the like button, and give us a call. So thanks for watching me, my DJI Avata with the RMUS Safety Kit. Keep watching 12 Days of RMUS, and remember, give us a call, get your Avata today.